Hey guys, I'm back. Today is vacation day number 5 here in Palm Springs, California. We are going out to do a botanical garden and we are going up to the mountains, and it's somebody's birthday today. This is my mom. Today's her birthday. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my mom. She's the best mommy in the world, and today's her birthday. Say hi to my followers.
Hi guys. I'm happy to be part of Erin's video, and I hope you enjoy it and you're thrilled by what you see.
Yeah, it's her birthday. We're celebrating her birthday here in Palm Springs, and she's the best mom in the world, and I am very excited to share her birthday. And if she wasn't born, I wouldn't be here today, so I'm very happy about that. And let me just give you the outfit of the day. I'm rocking a little bit of a side braid. I'm rocking a striped shirt, just a t-shirt, simple t-shirt, a pair of black shorts and sneakers, just something simple. I looked a little bit nicer today, my rings and my jewelry obviously, because it's my mom's birthday, so I wanted to dress a little bit nicer. And tomorrow I'm going to look really good because tomorrow's the photo shoot, and I am very excited about that because I'm going to dress really nice. I'm going to have my hair curled, and I'm going to have a really good outfit, and I'm not going to tell you guys about it yet, and I haven't planned. So, and you'll be seeing those pictures via Instagram and probably my Twitter. Some of those pictures will be I'll explain this tomorrow, but some of those pictures will be on my personal picture for Twitter and my profile picture for Twitter, and some of those pictures will be on Instagram so you guys can see, and I'll be posting them on Twitter if you guys aren't following on Instagram, and I'll post them for all you guys to see. I don't even do Facebook because I really don't use my Facebook, but I will find a way to upload them so you all can see them. I'm going to Photoshop them and everything. But today we are doing the botanical garden and we're doing the mountains, and today's my mother's birthday. So I will see you guys later. Bye! Vacation day number 6, I think. Last day in Palm Springs, California. Today is photo shoot day, so we're gonna go outside, do a little bit of a photo shoot, like professional looking photos for my YouTube channel. Nothing fancy. My dad's gonna take the photos, and I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna curl it and look really nice. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick intro because I'm gonna be getting ready soon. I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready and everything. But I just wanted to show you my outfit before I get ready. It's my outfit, very fancy. Well, it's not too fancy, but it's something nice enough that it'll look good in the photos. And this is actually a new shirt that I just got pretty recently before I came here. So it's a nice outfit, and I'm looking forward to wearing it and look forward to these photos for you guys. So I will see you guys then. Goodbye!
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
guys the hair and makeup part of the video, and now I'm going to show you a full view of my outfit, including jewelry and everything. It's a cute little outfit. It's, like I said before, it's not fancy. It's just to make it look summery, like a photo shoot like that, because the scenery is so pretty outside. So you guys will see that in the photos, and it's just so pretty. And we're just going to stay local because we're going to stay at the resort. It's our last day. Got to do some last minute stuff, pack and everything, and then we're going home. So that's basically it. So I will see you there. Bye-bye. So we just got back from the photo shoot. My parents went down to the pool, so I just wanted to give you a chance to talk to you. We took some really good photos that you'll be seeing on my social media, as I said numerous times before. They will be on my social media within the next few weeks. I have to go on the Photoshop and I have to edit them and like crop them, but you will be seeing them soon. I'm gonna post them on both Twitter and Instagram, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it in a collage or I'm gonna spam everything on Instagram. I'm not positive yet. But they will be on my social media in the coming weeks. I still have to edit a video for you guys, and I still have to edit this video, so I'm going to be doing a lot of things for you guys. I still got to film a video at home when I get there, so I have a lot of stuff planned for you guys. But right now, I'm just letting you know about the great photos that I took, and you guys will be seeing, like I said, you guys will be seeing them very soon, before the end of the month, like within the next few weeks, because it shouldn't take me that long to edit the photos. But they're very good, and look forward to you guys seeing them because they're very, very good, and my dad's a very good photographer, so he took them, and you'll see seeing footage of the photo shoot too, which is included in this video. So that's basically it. I am going to be editing, I'm going to finish editing my New York City vlog, which should have been up a long time ago, because I've been really busy lately, vacation, so, and maybe do some writing, because I'm behind on that, and I gotta pack and do laundry and stuff. So I got a lot of stuff to do. I just wanted to let you know that. So I will see you guys soon. And I may vlog tomorrow. I'm not positive because we're leaving at like 3 in the morning. But I will see. So that's my video. I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye. Hey guys, I'm back. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. We're at the airport right now. We are ready to leave for New York. We're heading back home. I don't want to go back home, obviously. It was a fun trip. We had a great time, and I am happy to say we're coming back next year, and we're going away for 2 weeks, which I'm very excited about. And that's basically it. We have a layover in Denver, and then we're coming back to New York at 6. So I'm gonna be really tired, and then I will see you guys in Denver. Bye. Guys, I'm back. Just got home from the airport about a few minutes ago. I've been home for about 5-10 minutes already. I just want to give you guys an update about what happened and give you guys like a reflection on the trip. I got my books in the background, I guess, like that. I had a great time on this vacation. I appreciate going on these trips and traveling. I would love to travel more and just see the world and go to like California and maybe even beyond that. We're going to be going to Arizona, so I'll be seeing that. Hopefully, I'll be traveling a lot more in the future. But I'd like to go to Europe too, like going to England and like Scotland and everything. I want to travel, so I had a very good time vlogging it and telling you guys about it. And going to the city a lot, but that's nothing compared to like flying around the world and seeing this stuff. But technically, California is not anywhere around the world, but it's close enough. Going to California is so fun. It's my second year there. I'm going back next year. I'm very excited about it. And that's basically it. I didn't vlog in Denver because I was just really tired and I didn't really feel like vlogging because I was, like I said, I was tired and all I did was really write my manuscript and work on it, make some changes to it and stuff. That's basically all I did. I didn't really do much and it was really vlogging wise, and there wasn't much of a view of the planes to get. I was going to vlog, but I didn't, and I apologize in advance, I'm sorry. But I did vlog the layover going to California in Denver, so you'll see that. Obviously, see that before this, so you probably saw that, and that's basically what I got in the layover. I mean, the layover I would have vlogged would have been the same thing as in the beginning of it, so it would have been repetitive and the same, so I just decided not to. I was going to, but I decided not, because going there was kind of fun. You get the rush of going on vacation and then coming home, you're like tired and you're exhausted and you don't want to come back, and what I wanted to do, I want to stay there, but now I have to come back to reality. I got to go back to work soon, but you know what, in all, I had a great time. Before I know it, I'll be going away again. I'm going to be going to the city more and doing a lot of videos for you guys in the summer. The trip was very great. I had a great time, and I just wanted to let you guys know that, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. That's my video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys soon. Goodbye!